Oops. Okay. Yes. Is this correct? It's correct. Okay. Ugh. Whew. Okay. Chance of work. Was exhausted yesterday. It was a family day. I always come home exhausted when I go out. And I only really go out with my family, so. Okay, let's see. Where was I? Okay, there's too much stuff open. Yeah. I was thinking about how it streams the chunks, and the fact that it's doing 16 kilobytes at a time is maybe not ideal. Maybe I want to expand that and download chunk ranges. Well, I guess the maps include images, so some of those chunks will be like 1 megabyte. That's probably a okay chunking size. Okay, I think I download 10 chunks at a time on the Roblox game. So that's 160 kilobytes, not 1 megabyte. I think it's not that big a deal, because like for the replay, each chunk is about half a second. Banana. Well, no, it's probably better. It's less overhead with the HTTP API requests. Is it more complicated to download? No, it's actually not that bad. It's a little bit more complicated. Right, so it would all happen in 2 functions. It would all happen in the give me a thing I need to download function and the ingest completed download function. Maybe I'll do that after. Honestly, it sounds kind of fun. Let's take a look. Yeah. Does this have? It probably does not. RHS. I guess so. Okay, who has errors here? Right. This is like one of the most complicated parts. Man, I just love this song by Carla Brown. It's even though it's about Jesus, it's so good. What was the intro song? That's not real. There's no such thing as head push event. State process event. Gah. I don't remember really what I was doing. There needs to be some kind of boundary interface. Because I don't have an enum of all of the different event types. So I can't just give you the event. Oh, it's this one. Downloader. It's not. It doesn't. The downloader doesn't care. It's only in the StreamableBot. Bot block range. We could have bot block range. Um. Oh. Oh. Uh. Hmm. I just don't know. I think that the like network congestion dynamic download queue thing that I saw before, you probably want that if the network conditions are extremely variable. So like YouTube would want to have some crazy stuff to handle the most worst internet in the world. Oh, it's the we gotta give you a ticket song. Hell yeah. I'll be forced to give you a ticket. Oh. I should totally just leave it like this because it'll work. It'll just like spam HTTP requests for the longest bots. Which like we don't pay for those. We go through Backblaze and then it proxies through Cloudflare, and Backblaze and Cloudflare have a deal where it's really cheap. Or free even. I don't remember exactly. I don't remember if it's egress or ingress that you pay for. Whatever, it's not very expensive either way. No parking on the dance floor. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna just skip that. Oi. We're lost, bro. Well, okay, what was I working on here? Head. Oh yeah, the read head. Oh my god. Oh, every single one of them can be on a different block. That's crazy. Hmm. I wonder if I can make. Oh, right. The timelines. Oh, I would need another layer proxying. If I'm okay, so I'm thinking about contiguous blocks. If it eagerly joins contiguous blocks, then I can. What can I do? I can make it. It can be faster as it streams, cause like there's a problem with this, and that's the fact that you don't know which blocks have events and which blocks don't. Excuse me, have events. So you just have to scan them all. You can't do a binary search. If I had a partial sum that counted like how many events there are since the beginning of the file, then I could binary search on that partial sum and like check when it increments, and then be like, it must be in that one because that one had an event, and that increments the counter, and that makes the partial sum go up, and then that would be great and fast in the limit. But I think it basically doesn't matter. What's the longest bot? The longest bot is 8 hours. And like we're running Rust here. Rust is really fast. So even if it's the worst possible case, how many blocks would that be? It's like 8 hours divided by 0.5 seconds. I don't know what that is. 3,600. Oh, 72. I don't know. And then times about 10. 36,000 times to 72,000. Yeah, okay. So it'd be somewhere in the range of like 60,000 blocks. And iterating over that is really not a big deal. Like, if we go to the website and like load up the long way. What is it called? Color, brick colors, blocks, color black, black. 4 hour. We can. Oh no, we can't load this time. Half sideways. Backwards. People are crazy. Alright, so we load up the really long bot on the really big map. Takes a while to load. So right now, the seeking algorithm is actually going through the file. I'm right here right now. If I click right here, it has to process the entire file start to finish. So here's how long that takes. Click. So that's multiple thousands of my god, multiple thousands of events, hundreds of thousands. So what did I say? 60,000 blocks. Okay, no, wait, that's 60,000 seconds. No, yes, 60,000 blocks, 30,000 seconds. So it's 100 events per second. So not very smart. Okay, 3 million events. That's 3 million events. So it was able to do 3 million events, and it was like, boop, there it goes. Actually, did Fireman update it to the new one that doesn't have that bug? Oh, it had to, right? Let me check. Ew. Where's the master branch? Master branch. Oh my goodness. Discover pub fields. Remove intermediate invalid state. Really? Oh, I delete the process head function. I guess that's nice. Change signature. Oh, I forgot about that. Oh my god. I got so much comments. 051 restore constructors, right? Okay, so yeah, no, never mind. It did take us a moment. So I actually updated it, and it does a binary search, which is just crazy faster than a linear scan. So that's why. It's not because it is fast, it's because it's not doing it anymore. But believe me, it took but a moment. There's like 0.1 seconds or something. I could tell. But it wasn't a big deal. And that was 3 million events. So iterating, well, I guess it's going through a hash map rather than a contiguous slice. 60,000 times. Is a hash map traversal? What 60,000 versus 3 million? Well, 30,000 versus 3 million. Is a hash map 100 times slower than accessing a slice? Probably not, right? So that's probably not a big deal that it has to like crawl around to find things. I need to open Windows. I'll be right back. Open Windows. That's words I never want to hear. Open Windows. Ugh. Yum yum yum. Banana people. I'm definitely gonna redo this for bots version 2. I don't know if I'll ever release that, but I have a document here. What the? Oh, it's... No, don't make me enter the number. No. No. Why is this a caps lock? What is that scroll lock? Oh. G. Oh, that's gamer mode. I forgot. Invalid. Lie. Leaked. Real. You have one more data point on your reverse code auth, reversing the cryptographic hash function. We will get you one day. Somebody status code. Ooh. Is isn't that a Roblox limit? If I recall. Did they remove that or something? Nice. Banning. Okay. The clicky gotta go. Okay. Oh yeah. So I have a lot of notes about bots v2, and a new one is this note. All events should have their own block timeline, because then the binary searches work, and the head that tracks each timeline separately can advance independently instead of needing to seek and scan and search just in case there's empty blocks. It's better. Alright, these are not very good. They were very expensive. I don't know what I was expecting. Protein bars are not known for being tasty. Smells like chemicals. Bah. What was like? Did I have a thing about the block sizes? Probably we want bigger block sizes. Precision variable. Goodness gracious. Yes. Rewrite codec to use buffer. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That would make it like 10 times faster. That's a good one. I don't really need to do that, I think. Hmm. So I tuned the block sizes previously to take 1/120th of a second to decode on the server side. And it has like a job queue system so that it only ever does one per frame, per server tick, I guess. But if it's 10 times faster, I can make the blocks 10 times bigger. God, that would be such a massive undertaking. So error prone. And it works so well already. Yeah, I mean, maybe if it gets huge, I should do it because it'll have a really nice space saving to use ZSDD. Nah, I don't need to think about this right now. I should. What's the thingy? Oof. Gah. I gotta get back in. Okay, so this is where the errors are here, and then on the head, I've really honed in here on the bits that are not complete. It's the hardest part though. Blah. Ugh. Bot blocks event type. Okay, that's not enough information. Oh, no. We have the head. Oi. Yeah, there's enough information. Oh. Okay. How does this work? Yes. Okay, so I'm thinking that I want to have this not do the big scan twice. Like once to figure out what happens next, and then throw it away, and then do it again to actually do the next event. Throw it away! How does this work? Next event. Who says that? Next event. How do you know? Oh, here it is. Next event. Event type head error. I think there's not enough information. If I maybe that'll work. If I say, "Hey, I'm the block event index," and this returns block event dispatch or something. Nah, we can just say this for now. Event type and then like that. F64. What the hell is? Oh, okay. That's the timestamp. Nah, I should probably new type that. Timed instruction. It's internal. Surely it's internal. Who does anyone call this? Oh, it's called right here. Timed event. Time from float time. I don't have a new type for time in the actual bot file itself. I just say, oh, it's F64. I mean, I'll just leave it like that. Is this enough information? Oh, excuse me. If we... God damn. This is tricky. I think that the offline events are going to reach the end. I'm going to need to prove that there's no more. And I can only do that if actually the blocks are sorted by chronological order of the very first event in the block. So if any block is after the offline block, I guarantee that there's no new events before that. It doesn't necessarily have to be the offline block, right? They're in chronological order of the beginning. So it actually does prove something. I wrote a message of the opposite. Okay, head events which are not yet loaded can be reconciled as not happening with time limit when the current chunk is not over yet. Right. So if there's other timelines going on, that's kind of like gooby though. If we only care about this for real-time blocks, offline blocks are loaded far in advance. But they have to stream in, so it's not necessarily like that. Hello, hello. How are y'all doing? I am struggling on this programming problem. The problem is I have timelines of events. There's 8 different timelines that are independent. And then I have data blocks that contain information of some of those timelines that are streaming in, loading in, and those are the bot blocks here. So this is a full picture of the timelines of the blocks. So the blocks each have their own timestamp, and there's 2 types of blocks. One of them is contains these types of events, which we only care about the moment that they are played, and none of the other ones matter. Oh dear, this is gonna, okay, I'm gonna throw this away. And then these ones are cumulative, so the current state depends on all previous events on the timelines, but they're quite sparse, so it's not too big a deal. But the problem I'm having is that previously I had a contiguous view of all events, and so it's just one big array for each separate timeline, and so I could just use a single integer to like index into the timeline, and that's no longer possible. So this is the new struct I have. It says which block ID the event exists in, and then the event index within that block. And then you have one of those for each timeline that keeps track of the head position, the read head, the cursor. Why don't I just start writing code? Because I kind of know what I'm doing here, he said confidently. Interesting. Well, okay, well, actually, these are all... Yeah, no, they're all the same type now. I had these as different types. I think that was a bad decision to make them different types. Position, is it position? We'll say cursor. And then we can make this an array of 8. And then now I can index into it using event type enum, which has 8 variants. I'm going to say as use size, and that'll index perfectly into that. So that can do a loop. Oh, is this no, it's not iterable. Of course it's not iterable. Actually, do I even care? I guess I could just have a little constructor guy. I'll just like loop over the list. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. For block event IDX in self dot cursor a. So now I have a loop. This is the current block index. So it loops 8 times over each one of these for each one of the timelines. So I only care about the next event. I need to know which. Oh boy. I guess I have to hard code this. 0 to 3. Oh. Is this gonna be const? Can you slice an array const? I don't know. It's definitely not gonna be const. This is a slice. Okay, it doesn't matter. It actually just doesn't matter. Okay, so these are the so-called offline events. No, these are the so-called real-time events. They're both very poorly named. The offline events are the ones that need to accumulate, and the real-time ones are the ones that only care about now, real-time. That's why I chose the name real-time. Ooh! Okay, so let's wait. Oh, it doesn't. It's not like that. Goodness. There's 2 layers. Okay, just write it first. Write it. Block equals bot dot. Why don't we call this bot blocks? Timelines a dot. Block event IDX dot block ID R. Wait a minute. Oh, no, that's wrong. That's wrong. This is a U size. Well, I could do a U32 because it'll never be longer than that. Okay, well that's something. Final references. Okay, that's the only reference. Okay, bud. As U size. So this is index into block timelines. Yeah. So it's not the block ID because the block ID is the order within the file. So like if you read data contiguously from the beginning to the end, you'll go through block 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the so-called timelines, why don't we look at the struct? It's it'll make things a bit more clear. So there's 3 lists in this struct. The block positions, this is the same as the block IDs, and it just says where each block ID is within the file. Like, so this is how many bytes into the file the block starts at, and there's 1 extra item in the list to mark the very end. So if you index this array by the block ID, you will get the block position. And then these ones, tell you chronologically where the data is in chronological order. So like at time 0, you're looking for block number 16. And then at time 3 seconds, you're looking for block 5. And so it can actually be in any order, but specifically the order is first block, last block, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, so that the last piece of information is at the beginning of the file, and we can compute the duration of the file by loading a very small amount of data. But technically it supports any order. I really love this. I think it's an excellent design. I love this. This is a great design. I absolutely nailed this first try. This was 4 years ago now, and I haven't needed a new version. Okay. Wow, that's great. Okay, so the thing I was looking at, this block index, is an index into either this array or that array, depending on what type of event index it is. So the first 3 are real time, and the last 5 are offline. And so I'm gonna have 2 loops here. So then this is totally correct. Is that clone copy? Is that okay? Is it like that? Don't do that. Cannot move out of is a non-copy slice. Is that true? Is that true? Is that true? It is true. So I would need to say reference. So now I have a reference to a block ID and a timestamp. So now I have to grab the block. So here's block ID. Block event. I don't know. This is naming is hard. Block equals to blah 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 blah. Bot blocks dot blocks get block event dot event. We love generic holders. E. Okay, so this can fail, but we do not care. We're writing the code. Cool. Wow, there's a block. Wow, it's the block. Wow, that's the block. Okay. So this is the block where the data exists for the current block event index. So it's this block at this index. I forget how it works. Oh, it's public. That's right. Oh, it was so you can't. Okay, right, because they're different types. Crazy. Okay, write the code. Write the code. Write the code. Write the code. So we want to see, check if there is another event within the same block. Block. Block dot. Is it input events first? Who's number 0? Input. Okay, we can just write this. Wow, and then we go. Do we do dot length? Do we dot get? Do we do +1? Do we do next event? I don't know. Ha. And then this also needs to call the stupid crazy thing. There's a whole little algorithm in the this thing. Head. It's called after time. Partition point. No, it's this guy. Collect. Yeah, the next event. So I have to implement this, but I do not have one contiguous block of all events from the beginning of the file to the end of the file. I have a map into a hash map of blocks. These are private functions. Oh, I don't think I named this actually. Self. Yeah, no, this data structure is wrong for what I'm doing. Write the code, write the code, write the code. All right. Well, I'll just write it manually and then think about it later. Len, if the length of the event list is greater than or equal to the block event index, then blah blah. Block event idx dot event index. This is always going to be that size. No, it has to be greater. No, it has to be greater than +1, right? Greater than +1. For real. +1, that's annoying, but we'll deal with it. So if it's like this, you're done. That's the event, and then we want to collect it in our little collector dingus guy. It's going to be a copy of this crap. Do I need both? List timed event. No, I only need the time. List.get. I don't want to name this E. Get event index. You see, I could say, I could have a little closure here. That's, I mean, do I know, oh, I only use that somewhere else. We do not care. We just do all of them. Yeah, okay. So I go, it's going to be something like this. Let's paste it in and get going. So we say get time. I don't know, and then it's freaking some F, and then where? Oh, we need a freaking generic F. Oh, I guess I can say it up there. Is a function that does not mutate, that takes in a usize and returns a F64. Let's go. And then now instead of list.get, it is yoinkity sploinkity. Option, actually. Option F64. Because it might not exist. There you go, bud. And then, what's that? I guess that's okay. Help. What's that? Do I have this? Do I not have this? Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, well let's say like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. What do you mean self is not real? What do you... Self parameters are only allowed in associated functions. Oh my god, I forgot about that. Okay. I mean, we could make this a... no, do we need self? Wait, self... No. Get event index event type. You're lying. You're lying. Should we just... Shouldn't we... Huh? What do you mean get... What do you mean... What? Shouldn't we pass the time? Huh? What? Huh? Huh? Shouldn't we just pass the optional event as an argument to this function? Huh? Why would it need to be event? Time. Why would it need to be... Did I write this in a stupid way? I may have written it in a stupid way. Let's see if I can get rid of this whole thing. And I can go like, yo, this is the time. Yo, option F64. Oh, I need to know the event type for sure, for real. Okay, so we do need to know event type, but then the time is option F64. I kind of want to have a... What's going on here? Oh, okay. Oh my god. Wait, oh, I put this on the wrong thing. E. There is no E. And there is no F. See ya. Yes, sir. But is this dumb? Am I stupid? Event. I think I'm actually stupid. Okay, get time equals time. Event type. You're done. You're done. Time. You're good. You're good, bro. Bro, you're good. You're good. Ain't none of that. V0 timed. Is this actually a refactor? Was I just dumb here? Let's see if I can do it. I feel like I would have figured it out, but... Goo Lagoon. List.get. So it's what do we just do? Do I want a macro? Yeah, macros are stupid. I think we go like I guess we can go farther than that. Oh, we kind of can't. Yoink, boink, doink, bink, bonk, self dot good, and then almost. Closing bracket, and then here we do dot get, and then we don't need the ampersand because it is a reference, and then it's dot time. It's dot time. It's dot time. No, it's map. It's okay. Map. Ugh, this sucks. E dot time. I can kind of see why I didn't do this, but it's fine. And there's no self. So we just yoinkity sploinkity. None of that. And there's no E. There's only... Wait. Oh, it's because it has to be passed twice. Yeah, it's not nice. Alright. Cool, but not relevant. Okay. Okay, we go back. I'll just write it. Option. Yeah. It's just best as a macro? I think it is just best as a macro. A macro of a function. I can either do that. I mean, maybe I think a function is better. Let's do. Actually, I think we can name it the same thing, eh? Okay, so we say expr. So this is event type. So I guess I could say ident, and then timeline is also ident, and then I guess I have to name this too. Next event is also ident, and then we delete the spaces. Get out of here, and then we do it's like this, except a little bit worse. Collect event gawa block awa awa. We can do better. We can do better. We could say God, is that expr? Timeline expr. Timeline.get. Set. Oh, unlucky. Self. Unlucky. Unlucky. Oh well. Self. Ident. Self. Get event index, and then there's your guy right there. Event type. Got him, coach, and then dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign everywhere, dollar sign. That's a disgusting macro. Self freaking, is it this? I don't freaking remember this stupid. Freaking world blocked out world events, next event, and that's the macro. That's what she wrote. Oh my god, block. And that'll do it. It freaking sucks, but it does the job. Yes, sir. Is it better or is it worse? I mean, it got rid of the horrible wear clause. Yeah, I was avoiding writing this twice is what I was up to. Oh, yeah, let's do that. Which one am I using? That one. So dropping to this would be a drop. Like I could inline this into the macro and then I wouldn't need to like double it up like this. I think I had it written before and then I undid it. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I say like this. And then we say event. And then we say event. And then we say is that one. $sign gabagoo. And then we say where's timeline? Did I ever need that at all? No. Oh, it's dot get. Oi. Okay, there it is. Okay, jeez Louise. Macroing. Gabagoo. Okay, so that should be the same thing except completely different. Let's go. That's much smaller. I love funk. Okay, it's smaller, right? Let's see it. Bye-bye. It's smaller because of this crap. I wonder if I can get rid of self by putting a macro in here. I don't know. Doesn't matter. It's fine. Okay, but now I can steal this. Remove deprecated function. What do you mean remove deprecated? Oh, that's that. Replace janky generic function with janky macro. Cool, just cool. Okay, so let's go back and look at this. We're not doing it. Doesn't work like that. Get event index. We literally It's not there. Blah 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 blah. Crazy. Probably Right. I actually can't loop this. That's true. That's true. Unlucky. Okay. That's okay. We say whatever, man. Whatever. Just do it. 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 Equals to self dot cursor dot ringus dingus event type. Yeah. Input. Why is it? Oh, okay. Oh, as you size, I guess. Susie. And there's no ampersand. You goob. And then this goes like this. Okay, so if... Oh, I actually need the next event, don't I? I do. Oh. Okay, why don't I make a little... Uh-oh. Help. We do this. Event type. Game. Oh. Where did it go? Oh, it's up here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna... Oh. Pub. What you talking about? No. Pub. No. Yeah, it's no wonder why I've been stuck on this. I'm distracted. Right. Okay. This is what I was gonna do. I was gonna do a little increment thingamabobber. Function block self gabagoo gabagoo. Let equals to Hello? Oh my god, why is there a semicolon there? Okay. And then I can do clone copy because easy clap. Oi, 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 oi. And then we do next event equal. Oh, we have to do 0. Yeah, okay. Equals to increment and then we do not care. We do not we get it. It has to get it. Get. Next event dot event index dot as you says, yeah. And then if let some event equals to this, then we do there it is, folks. I think this is the whole macro. And then it does this. I don't know, man. We'll just say like this. Call it a day. I don't know, man. Not call it a day. I'm not ending the stream yet. This is tricky stuff. Lots of thinking. What does my thingy do? Do I specifically enable vision? Come get ya. Const. Not const. No. I have to do a slice. I can't believe you've done this. I'm actually gonna go do that. Go gadget const. Help. Where is it? There it is. Const. There you go. What's that? Oh, is this? Oh, it's okay. Oh my god, bro. Oh, it's that part. Oh, okay. Shaped. Sure. We'll do event. Okay. And then go like this. Situation. EXPR. Expected you what? What do you mean? It's an EXPR, you goob. Oh, is it trolling? Okay, I think it's trolling. Okay, so we go like this. Self, none of that. Input. Blah. Next event. Oh, well, that's okay. Now it's called this. We could say IDX, I guess. God damn. Option none. It's none, right? For real. Okay, for real. Do I just say mutt? Is that real? Is that real? Do I need to do that? I don't know. Who knows? I don't know. Next event. I don't know. Is that gonna work? I don't know. Okay, and then that goes away, right? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Type annotations. Lie. We say this. Why? No. Okay, so we say like, oh god. Okay, so it needs more than that. A blah 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 blah. Good grief. Oh, really? I have to go to this random video. Oh no, there we go. What's B dot time? Type must be known. Oh, it's because it's that. No. I didn't have to do that for the, oh, well, but that, okay, that was different. Oh, I say, time. Is that time? Is that real? Time. Instruction. Oh, God. And then we... For real. Has no field named event. Oh, it's trolling. Underscore, right? And then tuple. Okay, well, let's actually write it instead of trying to like think through a macro. There you go, bro. Where's that? Okay, sure. And then we say next event IDX. There you go. Accepted didn't work. What do you want? Expected gabagoo. Oh, that's right. Is that this one? It is, right? There you go. And then it still doesn't know the type. Which is annoying, but that's okay. Option freak. I don't know, dude. I don't know, dude. Is that enough? Ampersand dingus dunguses? What is this? Expected? Yeah, okay. As ref. Yeah. Can we INS? Not quite. Wait, can we? Okay. Oh, actually, no. It'll need to do something. Okay, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Never read. Yeah, you're right. Oh, this is just part one, though. Is it an else? I do not know. I do not know. I do not know. I think it is an else. So it's exact same jank. Exactly. It's exactly the exact same jank. Except again. And then we do it 16 times. Well, 8 times. With double the jank. Okay, just paste it, write it out, then figure out later how to make it less sucky. Okay, so next, event IDX, nah. Next, block IDX. And then that goes here. And then I say, like, and that's it, right? And there's no else. You're done. at this point. Okay. And it's still not quite right. Do I want to say okay? I probably do want to say okay. I say result. Freak. It's just this whole thing, right? It has a timestamp for the head error. Is that true? Result. I have no idea. Okay. And then we just return next event, right? Woo! Woo! It's is it Oh. Where do you get the times? It's the block timestamp? So we go like, hey man, no such thing, man. Dude, yeah, it's not there, dude. Oh, this is actually a get question mark, isn't it? Well, not quite. It's a if let. It's annoyingly complicated. If let and then everything else. Oh, some. Oops. Because like if it doesn't exist, unlucky. We can't. But then it could just be none. Oh, that's right. It is none when you run out of blocks. It's only error if you know the block should be there, but it is not there, which is this. Okay, or head error. Ah, what? Oh my. I can't question mark. Okay, no, it has to be something else. So this is match. Match. Some. And then we put everything into the Goodness, my goodness. It's getting out of hand, but that's the way it is. I guess I can if let else. Well, that's still gonna put the thing down here. You know, if I put it up here, it'll be better. So now we say some. None means block, not real. Yeah. So next event equals to some. Dot time. Okay. And then instruction is error, head error, block not loaded, semicolon. Oh, not quite. And that's same here. Meow, 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 meow. And then we just copy paste this 8 times. Is that the complete logic? Why couldn't I figure it out before? No. This actually needs to be a loop right here. I don't know, mutt, and then while let. No, yeah. True. Hold up. Block index get. Isn't this? Can I just like slice? I could just loop slice, eh? Yeah, I could just loop slice. If let return. Uh-oh. None. None. Is none break? Blocks get. Yes. Whoa. What if this is none? That's break. Right? Right. I think this is else break. And then no. Same here. This mega sucks. So let's see. Real-time blocks, and then slice. Get. Dot 4. Yeah. Oh. Slice. I don't know. And then 4. What happens? If this is none. So we have to say this every the loop. Is that true? Oh my, wait. Wait. Can I make this? No, because I need to increment the event first. Well, actually, I think I can. I think I can fold this. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. Okay. Oh no, it's written like that. I accidentally. Okay. So I go. Next event first, then loop over blocks. We'll call it next event IDX, and then we do at the of this right here. We go next block. What? And then that increments the block. So we start here for each block, and then this is the same procedure. That's it. That's kind of juiced. What's that? Next block ID. Who's that? Next event ID. Wait. What's that? Oh, this is just actually unconditionally. If the block exists, oh, this is actually a little bit tricky. If this exists, then break. But this is it has to be another if statement. If bing bing bing. Shut. Break. So it breaks if there exists an event, but only write the event if it's sooner. Wahoo ha blocks get fail. You're done. No block. See ya. Soonest. That's right. Okay, this is like marginally nicer. What are you saying is never read? You lie. Okay. Oh, it's supposed to be here. Oh my god, bro. So it'll go exactly until the last block. The last block. That's freaking crazy. Oh my god, bro. So it's kind of juiced that I actually got this in one loop. This is wasteful, but it's like one CPU cycle, so try to find the next event. Look at the first index of each consecutive block. Very nice. This is the insane logic that freaking sucks. Okay, so this is just one of 8. So I need to macro it up. Get that macro going. Get that macro. Get that macro. So get that macro. Get that macro. Okay, so yeah, nobody cares. Well, I mean, I could yoink the badoink a doink. Oh my god. All right, let's write a collect event exclamation point input, and then we do block timeline. Yeah, and then we do is that an ident? Because it has to use this. I think it is. Okay, and then you're done, right? That's all of these. For real. For real. Ha 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 ha. Oh my god. And then we do block timeline $sign expr. Yeah. Next event, we don't need that. It's actually block timeline once again. Oh my god. So this is the block timeline, and this is the block timeline. We'll call this the event timeline. Yeah, that's true. Let real-time blocks equals to this. Are you for real? Oh my god. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Input, output. Good lord, what is happening in there? And then sound. And then who is the other? Okay, we go over here and we grab this one. Oh, look at how nice it is. I think we could actually do the whole thing at once. Woo! And then this is not real. Okay. Thanks for nothing. Oh, rename. Woo! No. Can I rename it? Yeah, no, that's true. True. No, where did it go? No, come back. Put it back. No, why? I pasted. I pasted. What? Give me back my paste. Bro. Dude, what was that? Jesus. Okay. Freak. Okay, that should do it. The Megazord. Time. Good lord. So I'm gonna need basically the same code but scanning backwards instead of forwards. Oh, I can actually put this here and that'll be nice. Or actually, is that true? Or is that gonna... Oh, it doesn't like it. Oh. Oh. Find the next event for a specific timeline, whether it's within the same block or somewhere in a future block. Period. And this head error block not loaded has a timestamp from the header. It knows when the block starts. And so if there's any gabagoo earlier, then you're just Bing chilling. What if there's no... Uh-oh. 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 Oh, no, that's the slice. Okay, no, that's... Okay, no, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. We can... Well, I mean, we could do this. I think that's a little bit safer. Oh, my God. Whoops. Event type. There you go. But I mean, it's not safer at all, but like, it's fine. Okay, thinking. So that's just the slice. What happens if... So if the block is not... So, okay, yeah. Okay, well, oh! Huh? None. It's none. If there's no more... blocks. Huh? Where does it go? Some block if let some timeline get next event. So when this is none, it doesn't write it. So okay, none means you've reached the end of the timeline, and result head error means, oh no, it's not loaded yet. And you get a timestamp if it's not loaded yet, but you don't get a timestamp if there's no thing at the end. Finds the soonest event on the timelines. Returns none if you have reached the end of the timelines. Returns some error, head error, if the next event is in a may be in a block that is not yet loaded. Returns some... Okay. Well, I mean, that's not true. If an exact event was found. And it is guaranteed to be the next event with the according to the information available. Well, I mean, obviously, guaranteed to be the next event is, it's like implied that that's calculated from information available, because like you know for sure that it's not in a block that's not loaded. This is very epic, very, very epic. So this is not real. We do not care. Process event, get out of here. What the hell, Scooby-Doo? No. See ya. So we say... it's like this. Oh, well, I mean, yeah, well we do need, it's this. Block event index. Okay. Block event IDX, sure, whatever. And then instead of like calculate, we go give to me event. Isn't that what it was before? And I deleted it. Hell, what is this? State.process. Okay, state.process event. That was where the multiplexing was before, right? No. Yes. Ah. Oh, we get the block. Get the block. Block. Okay. No, I'm smart. I'm smart. Okay. Gabagoo. That's how we do. Okay, so, it comes off of this guy. Event index. And then, do I want U32? I don't know. I don't know, dude. Dude, I don't know. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I don't know. We can say no. Mut self. That's okay. That's okay. Right? Yeah. It's okay. Event type as usize equals block event idx, like that, and that's how you do. No, it would no, and then no. Blocks. Get. What if the block don't get? I think we'd just die instantly. So we say block index. Is that not a get? Yeah. Okay. Real. As you size. Susie. Huh. And then we. Huh. Oh. It's not quite right. Indeed, sir. May I take your hat, sir? Oh, let's save this. Here, we go here. Here. Good job. That's Megazord. Okay. Good job. Oh my god. Okay, so... block event ID equals to... Oh, did I call it? What did I... It's in here. Timed block ID. Ibadink. Yes. Okay. Sure. Yoinky. Spelunky. Baba. Timelines. Dot. It's okay. Get. Is this like this? And then for real. And then ampersand and then like that, and then we want a better name here. Blocks. Okay, so now we have the blah block. That's the block. We got the block. That's the block. Yes. Okay. Event type. Arguments are incorrect. Lie. Oh, well, it's not U32. Okay, should I don't know. Let me just say that. For real. And then we do that again and again and again. I don't know. Well, let's make macros, because, like, geez, man. Yoinky. Is there no special sauce? Where's this? How do you know? Wait. There's... Wait. I don't even need macro. What? Okay, so we can go like this, actually. What the hell? Yeah. Dude. Are you being real right now? Quit it. That's it. That's how you block. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so then what happened here? Huh? What's this? Head internal instruction event type. Do I huh? Oh, but blocks. I do want that. Okay. Whoa, crazy. Insane, crazy. Okay. Bless you. I am blessed. Oh, okay. Should I give it a name, or should I just like smash it? I'm just gonna smash it. Help event. Help. Okay. Event type. Yeah, and then block event IDX. Okay. For real. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Well, you know, structs are good. I'm gonna use a struct because it's good. It's a create struct. Do we need? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Event instruction. I don't know. Event crazy. Event type blah. Yeah, it's event for real. And then where did it happen? So it's here, I guess. Event type. Wow, crazy. Hello, please game, please. Capital T. What are you doing? And then himien. Event dot. And then no. We can just okay. No, that's okay. Event dot. Meow. Okay. So then in here, this is not real. It's event. Please? Are you serious? You're lying. Tuple, you're lying. You're lying. Don't lie. Oh. Oh, okay. Well, okay, I see. Yeah. So now say we say event. And then now this is wrong. Event. Is that real? For real. Okay. We are out of red squigglies. Okay. Wow. Okay. What do I do here? Head. I don't know. Head. I don't know. Head. I could return a slice of... Oh, but it has to index each time. Oh my god. Okay, I could return a reverse iterator to block... I don't know. I wrote something. Process event. Absolute real. 100 real. Head internal instruction. Do we care? Do we care? Can I not keep this private? Okay. Yeah, no. This has to be okay. No. Okay. You can't have private fields in a enum for whatever reason, but that's okay. We say final references. It's head and session. Session has head, but it doesn't actually care. I think it just says, oh, okay, do it, and it doesn't care, and that's okay. God damn. Okay, so I have 2 more functions to write before things can like happen. I can't believe I wrote that. That was a big, crazy slobber of code. Oh, where'd my Discord go? Did it crash? Oh no, it doesn't work. That's right. I forgot. What the hell? Oh, it's open, but it's dead. That's hilarious. Okay, well, I have come out of a 2-hour programming trance, and I'm better for it. Ugh. Oh no, I did that now. Okay. Okay, so I need to write this function. Why don't I do a to-do? And I need to write this function. Okay, yeah. Dot find. Dot find is basically what I wrote here. So this is find forward. I need find backward. I think that I might be able to. It's only relevant for this though, right? Yeah. So I get the. Oh. I just have to get it for each of them, and then I need a complicated bingus for output events. And I'll deal with crashing later due to going before the beginning past the end. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Checked sub 1. Checked sub 1. Okay, I think I'm seeing a pattern. I actually want find event. And probably also get event. Find previous event. Find. How had happened who. Timed instruction result had error. Good lord, what is happening in there? So I think that actually. So the next event is like any. But then prev event is like, oh, I actually want it on this timeline specifically. We, uh. Isn't that the same thing? This is, I believe this is only one spot, right? Yeah. Initializing the playback state is similar to initializing the head. And maybe it should be just one thing, yeah. It's one thing because like it'll be like I'll have to redo stuff if it's not one thing. I think. But maybe I can return a lifetime object that says, "Here's your guys." I don't know. Did I? No. Um. Should I have one function multiplexed to many or many functions? I think many functions is actually better in this case. I can make the definition a macro as well. I can make the definition of macro. I can make. Okay, so it's gonna have like a exactly this function signature. Prev event. Do we want prev input event, proper grammar, or do we want prev event input? I think we would like proper grammar. I believe this is actually, hey, input event, the real one, v0, and then we do a reference, cause like, and I believe that's bot block reference, yeah. Okay. There you go. And then wait, is this an iterator? Wait. Oh, yeah. No. So next event is a little bit. Well, yes, actually. How does the reverse trait work? Does it have an output, or does it require like double ended iterator? I think it's tricky. Instead of having a specific impl and you like make a new iterator, you do new you oh hey, what the hell is going on here? See ya. I think an iterator is in... order. Because then I can... Actually, well... This is like an iterator, but without the state machine. It's a special case of an iterator. Because an iterator will have the same behavior of skipping blocks and telling you it's dead, and it returns option. It's an iterator. Wow! Do I want like iter rev? I do, right? If let next. Yeah, no, it's literally iterator. I can't believe I've actually accidentally invented an iterator. I can't believe you've done this. Thus far, it kind of looks like I only need iterators for previous events, though. Oh, well, no. No. I actually do need it because in the state timeline, I have to iterate over all run events. So I actually do need an iterator. No way. I'm same with the setting events.
That's crazy, bro.
How do I make it stop? I guess I just have to directly compare with the head. So I could check the block index and the... That's a goddamn iterator. This can have head error, right? Oh, I didn't say it. Okay, so I actually need forwards and backwards iterators. Yes, because then I can do dot find. Who is this? Oh. Oh. Find. I think I would just double call it instead of doing this. Oh, it does. Ooh, it doesn't work, eh? I really do need. Need to like turn around the iterator. Good lord. Switch it from a backwards iterator to a forwards iterator. I also need a way to tell it to stop. This is crazy. And I knew it would be crazy, but I'm smarter now. The head code I wrote was quite nice. Or not nice, but like uh exhaustive. Now I'm sitting here thinking about how I would like iterators instead of writing the iterators. It's impressive. I wrote an iterator function signature. I'm super Rust brained. Accidentally reinventing iterators. Oops. Oh, there it is. Rev. Oh no. Let's see. I believe it's okay, why don't I just blah blah blah. Okay. Blocks. Enter. Next. Unwrap. 0, 1. Dot output events. And now we can take a look at rev. Rev. Double-ended iterator. Oh. Next back. Is it a slice across multiple blocks? I think that I just don't do this, and I just like have my own iterator reverser, and I just like say, oh, it's going forwards, oh, it's going backwards now. But I get, oh, this is probably more good-ish. Double-ended iterator. No. I'm gonna put my coffee up. I'll be right back. So Okay. Okay. It's not. I don't know. I don't know what to call this little tiny bit of code. It's just like tweaks or something. Yeah. This is very tricky to do in bounded time guaranteed. With a guaranteed time bound, it's actually impossible to do with a guaranteed time bound. Well, no, I guess it is a guaranteed time bound. It's O of n, where n is the number of events in the file. So it's basically its worst case is bad, but it should generally only go like 1 or 2 blocks. It should be fast in practice. It's yeah, no, I could make a map of the file. That would be annoying to do, though, because I need to check the map and then use the fast path, and then if the map doesn't exist because it's not loaded yet, fall back to the slow path. It would need more code. That's crazy. Yeah, so I think rev no good. That's no good. Find. It might work. I don't know. Next. Next. This is so troublesome because I have to walk backwards and then walk forwards. Well, I guess I could have a vec, but like allocation is bad. It's kind of nasty anyways. Second map or 0. Mind-bendingly complicated. I bet you doing a video player would be complicated like this as well. Like making YouTube. I'm actually kind of interested in that. I want to have a video player that mixes the stream client side, streams all of the elements of the video, and then you can like tweak it if you want. That would be crazy. Wait, GPC. Wait. Okay, that didn't work. Is that just, what the hell? Did that do it? Oh my god, it did. Wait, does my Windows key work now? Wait, please? How do I check? If I edit my main mod, how do I do this? Oh, I could check for input events. Put TSU input. Wayland monitor input events. Wally and watch input events. Print. I just want to print. Please. Dev input. Is this gonna... Is this gonna be bad? I have no idea. Hey, bro. What's up, bro? EVC. AUR. EV test. Show you button names when you press them. Yay. Device number. Gaming keyboard. What? 23. Oh, 3. Oh, okay. Let's try 3. Okay. Is that working? No. Let's try again. 4. 5. Okay, now we're talking. Oh, there's a key press. Left meta. It works. Oh my god. I just fixed my keyboard. Is that true? Is that true? It is true. I just fixed my keyboard. Oh my god. I've been using this keyboard for 2 or 3 years, and I have adapted to the Windows key being broken, but it was just disabled. I thought that it required Windows software to re-enable it, but there's a hotkey that is within the keyboard. Oh my god. So it was off by default. Okay, well let's go change it. Oh my god, I'm excited. Holy smokes. Yeah. Main mod. Where main mod? Main mod. Main mod. Mod. Hello? Oh, did I just write alt everywhere? Hello? What's going on? Yeah, I did. I just wrote alt everywhere. Dude, I can reclaim my alt key. I've been unable to use my alt key in games and applications because my mod key was broken. Meta. Okay, let's look at the documentation. Do we have a default config here? Help. Tests. Valid. Example. No. Bruh. Toml tests. Oh my god, bruh. Just give me a example config. Configuration. Can we config? Hey, there we go. Okay. Wait, alt. Wait. Oh. Why is it alt? Mod mask alt. Ignore all modifiers. What the tarnation? Ooh. I'm wildly confused why alt is there. Meta. One match. Hello? What? Hello? What? What? Okay. It keeps moving. Okay, whatever. Mod. Oh boy. Mode. I want mod. Config.shortcuts. Active modifiers. Oh wait, okay, mod 1. Mod 1. What's mod 1? Logo. Okay. Okay, well let's change something. Toggle full screen. We'll change that to logo. Surely. Okay, so then how do we reload? Alt Shift R, and then we'll do this. Okay, Alt Shift R, and then mod full screen. Wow, it works. Oh wait, I pressed the wrong key. Okay, Okay, Alt. Yeah. Logo. I just want everything logo and not Alt. Because then I can use the Alt key for business. Okay, well, good luck. If I fail, I just have to figure something out. We'll go to the terminal so I can figure something out. Okay, Alt Shift R, and now everything is logo. Oh, that didn't work. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Should we say window management key? This is weird. Window. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Logo. Okay. Management key. Alt underscore L. Key left meta. So maybe it's, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. How do we know? I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, so we go here. No, we go here. Underscore L? Shift R. No. So it's still. Do we call it meta? I don't know. I don't know. Is it actually working? I don't know. God, I'm gonna have to look at the source code. Shut up. Window management key. This is a massive discovery. Ugh. Discovering that my keyboard is not actually dependent on Windows software. Where does it decode? Stir, what? Toml config parsers. Opt, stir, recover. You what? You what? Parse table. Is this the only spot? Recover. What? Fin once extractor. Okay, we snaw window management key val span stir. Okay, and then it goes down here. Parse context modified key sim. Parse modified key sim stir. Parser. Modified key sim parser. Make that move. No, go back to that good song. Unlucky. Okay, where were we? Value expected data type. My god. Split. More than one sim. Self. Oh, parse result. You cannot use. Okay, brother. Okay, parse mod. Who said that? Shift lock control. Okay, are we doing string lower? What? Oh, okay. Other key sim. Wait. Okay, wait. So I could also okay. Wait, but then that doesn't make sense. Key sim from stir. Goodness. From stir, from stir. Who said that? From stir. Debug assert. Case insensitive. Ooh. So it's default false. Somehow. Copy from slice, brother. Isn't that... Oh. Nice. Okay. Datas. What the hell is map? Perfect hash map. B. Bytes. Okay, well, it actually is meta L. What's the difference between meta and super? So it's supposed to be meta L. Oh, jeez. And I've written that in there. Is it just like not gonna happen until I reboot or something? I don't know. Meta R, meta L. PHF map. Lola. Has got to be generated. Okay. So it should be meta L. That was tricky. It said it went through this as well though, parse mod. And this is only, so like why can't I write logo like that? Why don't I try it? Logo. Oh wait. It doesn't work. It's still alt. Hmm. I'll just keep using alt for the window management. Oh, I forgot. I'm using the wrong key again. Okay, well, that was a nice discovery. I'll have to get used to that. I've been using alt for so long. I won't be able to actually use alt until I get rid of that binding. But I have to I think I have to restart my compositor to get it to activate. It kind of feels not as nice as alt TBH. That was a really big distraction. I need to write this function. I'm approaching 4 hours. No, 3.5 hours. I really put in the good work. What I want to do is create iterators. Create iterators. Forwards and backwards iterators. Period. Event specific Am I happy leaving it there? What else can I do? What's other things? I feel doneish on this. What was I doing over here? I had a thought. Oh, I actually did it. I forgot. So generic function and macro, basically that's the same thing. What was it? I don't know. I guess I'm done. I can't really get back in after that distraction. It's actually amazing that I worked today. I was feeling so exhausted. Sleep got interrupted and everything. It's a scab. The hair covers it if I do it right. No, not quite. Oh, I guess not. Cool. I actually wrote some critical code for scanning blocks, finding events, but I think I can make it more general and use iterators. I'll have to think about like how that specific case for the output event will work, because as it works now, it scans backwards, and then I'm gonna have to construct an iterator that scans forwards. And that's tricky and wasteful. Should I like produce a head? Can I say like into head? Does that make any sense? I don't know, because like there's the problem of like before and after. What? Okay, no, actually, that might work out. Into head and then iter. Well, but it's a block index. Functions on the... Not good, because there's extra state. Crazy iterators. 8 iterators. 16 iterators. Oh, no, I could produce a slice and then reverse it, but that's allocation. Ideally, I believe even if you have to reiterate, it's better than allocating. Allocation bad. There should be no allocation in the hot paths, like rendering a frame and stuff. I don't think there is. I think I have all my stuff pre-done. It's very tricky, very tricky. Do I have any option other than iterators? No. Realistically, I could do a binary search. And I do have it at the end bound, because I'm looking for 2 events back, and it might actually not be in that block, and that would be faster, but I don't have the map of the file with a partial sum, so yeah. And then if I have separate blocks, I don't need it because it's guaranteed to contain events. Actually, if I contain partial sums, well... then I could use a single index for the whole file. But no, it's not quite fast because you'd have to scan the list every time. And a double index is faster for that. I mean, it's a binary search. Still better to have O of 1 than O of n. O of log n. Very tricky problem. Test nothing type development. I don't know. I guess I'll sit and think. Or I'll let myself just think offline. Okay. By end of stream again tomorrow. Do more good work. Good work today. Doing the hard part that I've been unable to tackle. One of 3 hard functions.